In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your old Cash App account without an email or phone number. Method 1. Recover an account with phone number or email. Open the Cash App on your mobile phone. Make sure you are not logged in to any Cash App account. Enter the phone number or email associated with your old Cash App account, and then you will receive, so you can verify the verification code sent to you. Once verified, you'll regain access to your old account. The second method is retrieving old account via support. Open Cash App on your device and click on the profile icon. Select Support and then choose something else. Look for the option that says Can't access old account and click on Contact Support. Select Email and confirm your request by clicking Yes, and then Cash App support team will send you a confirmation email. Verify your personal information linked to your old account through the provided link. And once verification is successful, your old Cash App account will be merged into the new one. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this